Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. Welcome back my YouTube channel Rimsha Decoration. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know what my YouTube channel or are like video, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and please make sure press the bell icon so you told any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, please watch this video to end and then don't miss another amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, I am back with another beautiful idea about birthday cake decorations in different styles, different color combination and different sizes. Here are some amazing, delicious and eye-catching cake decorating ideas that suit both homeland and professional parties. Cake decorating ideas can elevate any celebrations. Cake decoration ideas transfer space into bright celebrations. I am your cake decoration ideas from this video. Thank you so much for everyone for watching my YouTube video and collecting my beautiful channel. Allah Hafiz.